Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you will be fine. Now today I will deliver the lecture number 13 of English for class nursery, and the topic of the lecture is letter K, reading plus writing. In the previous lecture we have learnt about the letter J. Now today we will do the next letter. Okay, so what comes after letter J? Yes, letter K. It comes after letter J, and this is a small k, this is a lower case, and the sound of this letter is K, 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 K. Okay, what begins with this letter? So here you can see the first picture. Yes, this is a key. Okay, K, K, key. Okay, K is the first letter in key. So K, K, key. Okay, now next picture. Yes, this is a kiwi. This is a bird. Okay, now K, K, kiwi. K is the first letter in kiwi. K, K, kiwi. Okay, now next word. Yes, here you can see a cattle. Okay, K, K, cattle. K is the first letter in cattle. K, K, cattle. Okay, now next one. Yes, king. K, K, king. K is the first letter in king. K, K, king. Okay, yes, this is small k, and the sound of this letter is K, 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 K. Okay, now get ready for the writing. So, how we will write small k on a line pattern? Okay, now first is, here you can see a line pattern. Okay, this is top line, this is middle line, this is base line, and this is lower line. Okay, first of all, I will trace this letter on this line pattern in front of you. So first I will start from the top line. Okay, come down, make a straight line and touch the base line like this. Okay, now for small k, next step, I will start from the middle line for a slant line like this and touch this straight line, and here I will make another slant line like this and touch the base line for small k. This is small k, and it should be in upper three lines. It should be in upper three lines, and the sound of this letter is K, 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 K. Okay, now here I will write again small k without dots in front of you. So first of all, I will make a straight line. Yes, I will start from the top line, come down and touch the base line like this. So for the next step, I will make a slant line with middle line and touch this straight line, and again I will make a slant line like this and touch the base line. This is small k. Okay, now yes, next again I will write small k in front of you on this line pattern. Okay, first I will make a straight line. Yes, like this, and now I will make a slant line. Yes, a slant line, and again I will make a slant line and touch the base line. So this is small k, and it should be in upper three lines. This is a sky letter, and the sound of this letter is K, 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 K. Now it's time for an activity. Okay, join the dots and make the letter with pictures. So For this activity, yes, first of all, here you can see some dots on your screen. Yes. So first of all, I will join the dot for making a letter, and then I will join the dot for making the pictures. So first of all, yes. Now, yes, I will start from this dot. So, yes, come down, join the dot in proper way, like this. Yes. Now, next. Yes, like this. And now, yes, here a slant line like this. Yes. Now next, like this. Okay. So, yes. Come down like this. And now take a turn and yes. Okay. Now again come down. Yes, I have done it. Yes, this is K. This is small K. Okay. Now I will make the picture. Yes. So first of all, okay, I will take start from this point. Okay. Yes. Now I will join all the dots in proper way for making the pictures like this. Okay. Okay. And now here. Yes. Okay. Now this is a face. Okay, now and yes, like this. And next I will join these dots like this. Okay, I think so. These are hands. Okay, now next. This is a big part. So, yes, come down and here. I will join these dots. And again. Yes. Uh-oh, yes. Now, it's okay. And yes. Wow. Yes, one part is left here. Okay, so I think so. This is a tail. Yes, I have completed this picture. Yes, and what is this? This is a kangaroo. 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 Okay. Now, this part is left here. So, I will complete this part. Yes, start from this dot and here. Okay, so yes, this is a little part with it. So now yes, it is little bit difficult. Okay, now Yes. Put the pencil. Point and now come down and join these dots like this. Okay. And now here I will draw a straight line with the help of these dots. And now, yes. Wow, this is a kite. So kite. Okay. Now kangaroo. Yes, K is the first letter in kangaroo. Kangaroo and kite. Great. Okay. I hope you have enjoyed a lot. Okay, now students, today you will do the letter K on your notebook. Inshallah, we will meet again with the next lecture on Monday. Till then, Allah Hafiz, stay safe, stay blessed with the happy weekend. Thank you very much.